Welcome to Eko Bajumo TV, where we will be serving you hot, trendy news and gists from Eko to all over the world, international. We are using this moment to introduce to you all the newest queen, the incoming queen of Ife. She is Tobi Phillips, an ex-beauty queen, and she will be the fourth Olori of Oba Kábíyèsí Ẹniìtàn Ogunwusi tí a fi tọ̀wọ̀tọ̀wọ̀ porúkọ wọn. There's so much to know about this beautiful, fair damsel. She is beautiful. She is a university graduate. She is the CEO of her own clothing line. She is a single mother of 2 daughters, and also she's 30 years old. She was born on the 4th of June 1992. So much to tell you guys about the newest queen. We have gist coming up. You guys stay tuned. Get your kuli, your suya, your popcorn, sit tight and enjoy the ride.